Testosterone is a term often construed with masculinity, power, and energy. But did you know this potent hormone has a key part in both men's and women's health? We commonly equate testosterone with muscular bulk and sex desire, but its effect goes well beyond. Testosterone is a vital component in energy levels, bone density, and even heart health. Think of it as the conductor of your body's symphony, ensuring all systems operate in harmony. When testosterone levels are ideal, you feel energetic, robust, and cognitively sharp. However, as we age, testosterone production normally drops. This is a natural component of aging, but a severe reduction may lead to a cascade of health complications. That's why knowing testosterone and identifying the indicators of imbalance is vital for sustaining optimum well-being. It's about taking care of your health and ensuring your body gets the tools it needs to flourish at any age. Are you feeling more weary than usual? Has your gym performance plateaued? These might be mild indicators of low testosterone, often known as low T. Recognizing the early warning signals of low testosterone is vital for taking proper treatment. While a simple blood test may confirm your levels, your body typically provides signs before the situation gets serious. Pay attention to changes in your body. Are you feeling more weariness, reduced muscular mass, or a weaker sex drive? These are frequently the first obvious indicators of a drop in testosterone. Other symptoms include difficulties focusing, emotional fluctuations, and even increased body fat, especially around the midsection. If you're having any of these symptoms, it's crucial to contact with a healthcare expert to establish the underlying problem. In today's fast-paced environment, we demand answers promptly. While a doctor's visit is always suggested for a final diagnosis, you may obtain a basic estimate of your testosterone levels from the comfort of your home. At-Home testosterone testing have gained popularity as a handy approach to monitor this vital hormone. These tests, often including a saliva sample, may offer a rough estimate of your testosterone range. While handy, it's crucial to realize that home testing may not be as reliable as lab tests. Factors like the time of day you take the exam and even what you've eaten might impact the findings. Consider home testing as a starting step. If the findings suggest low testosterone or you're having symptoms, check with your doctor for a full review. The gold standard for assessing testosterone levels is a simple blood test. This test gives the most reliable evaluation of your testosterone levels and helps healthcare experts identify the best course of action. Typically, blood is collected in the morning when testosterone levels are naturally higher. Your doctor will consider numerous aspects, including your age, medical history, and symptoms, when interpreting the findings. Don't be worried if your testosterone levels fall slightly below the usual range. The typical range might vary based on the lab and your unique circumstances. It's vital to have an open and honest talk with your doctor about your symptoms and worries. This will help them read your test findings appropriately and establish a specific treatment plan if required. Knowing when to seek expert assistance is vital for regulating your testosterone levels properly. While occasional exhaustion or a modest fall in energy could be ascribed to stress or lifestyle factors, persistent symptoms demand medical attention. If you're suffering many symptoms of low testosterone, such as diminished libido, erectile dysfunction, or perhaps considerable tiredness, don't hesitate to book an appointment with your doctor. Remember, testosterone levels typically diminish with age, but a fast or extreme reduction might signal an underlying medical concern. Early identification and therapy are important to restoring hormonal balance. Your doctor is your partner in health. Be upfront and honest about your worries, and together you can design a strategy to maximize your testosterone levels and overall wellness. Part 6: Lifestyle Modifications, Raising Testosterone. Naturally, the route to boosting your testosterone levels frequently begins with simple but effective lifestyle adjustments by adopting healthy behaviors. You may naturally promote your body's hormone production, emphasize quality sleep during deep sleep. Your body works furiously to create and regulate hormones, including testosterone. Strive for 7 to 8 hours of undisturbed sleep each night. Fuel your body with a balanced meal rich in fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and healthy fats. These meals give the key ingredients your body needs for optimum hormone synthesis. Incorporate regular exercise into your schedule. Weight exercise in particular has been demonstrated to raise testosterone levels. Combine it with aerobic activities for a fully rounded fitness plan. For some people, lifestyle adjustments alone may not be sufficient to restore testosterone levels. In such circumstances, testosterone replacement therapy, or TRT, can be an option to explore in collaboration with a healthcare expert. TRT includes dosing the body with synthetic testosterone to boost levels to a healthy range. This may be supplied as injections, gels, or pills, patches, or pellets inserted beneath the skin. While TRT may successfully cure symptoms of low testosterone, it's crucial to be informed of possible dangers and side effects. These may include acne, prostate enlargement, and in rare circumstances, cardiovascular problems. The choice to seek TRT is a personal one that should be taken in close cooperation with your doctor. They will analyze your specific situation, weigh the possible advantages and hazards, and evaluate your development regularly. In addition to lifestyle adjustments, some people seek natural supplements as a supplemental method to maintaining testosterone levels. While these supplements may not be a substitute for medical care, they may give extra assistance. Certain herbs and minerals have showed promise in increasing healthy testosterone production. Ashwagandha, a prominent adaptogenic plant, has been historically used to increase vigor and may help balance hormone levels. D-aspartic acid, an amino acid present naturally in the body, has a function in testosterone production. Supplementation with D-aspartic acid has showed promise in raising testosterone levels in various trials. It's vital to understand that the efficacy of natural supplements might vary greatly, and further study is required to evaluate their long-term safety and effectiveness. Always speak with your healthcare practitioner before introducing any new supplements into your routine. Attaining optimum health goes beyond treating specific problems. It's about accepting a holistic approach that examines the connection of your mind, body, and spirit. Stress management is crucial. Chronic stress may wreak havoc on your hormonal balance, leading to a cascade of health consequences, including low testosterone. Incorporate stress-lowering methods into your everyday routine, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Cultivate good connections and a robust support system. Social relationships have a critical role in overall wellness, impacting both physical and mental health. Surround yourself with good influences and build meaningful friendships. Remember, your body is a complicated and interrelated system. By addressing all areas of your wellness, you create a fruitful basis for hormonal equilibrium and maximum health. The issue of testosterone is frequently buried in myths and misunderstandings. It's crucial to discern reality from fantasy to make educated choices regarding your health. One popular misperception is that only males have low testosterone. While testosterone is more prevalent in males, women also generate this crucial hormone, and low amounts may damage their health as well. Another misunderstanding is that testosterone replacement treatment is a silver bullet for aging. While TRT may be effective for some persons with clinically confirmed low testosterone, it's not a fountain of youth and should be treated with care. It's always preferable to depend on trusted sources of information, such as your healthcare practitioner or renowned medical organizations, to make educated choices regarding your health. Your health is your most significant possession. By knowing the significance of testosterone and identifying the indicators of imbalance, you empower yourself to take proactive actions towards maximum wellness. Knowledge is power. Educate yourself about testosterone, its function in the body, and the circumstances that might impact its production. The more you know, the better prepared you'll be to make educated choices regarding your health. Don't hesitate to advocate for yourself. If you're suffering signs of low testosterone or have questions about your hormonal health, arrange an appointment with your healthcare practitioner. Be upfront and honest about your symptoms, and together you may design a specific approach to restore balance and health. Remember, your health is a journey, not a destination. By taking a proactive and educated attitude, you may maximize your testosterone levels and live a robust and full life. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.